Hi, welcome to my quarantine frizz. In the freezer, I have today's date is 1st May actually. We are expecting a lockdown to be closed by May 3rd. Let us see. This is some, I have little cream. It's a cream from milk boiled. And it's a very small frizz. A very cute little frizz. I have some, what do you say, turmeric powder, and it's kumkum kept in the freezer. I have some kiwi here, some ice cubes, water, and this cheese tray. I have some paneer, cheese, and this is some, what do you say, some butter for my baby for bathing, and these are some gaskets I have kept. Coming to this, I have milk. Then this is little henna. It's very messy, super messy. And here I have two sweet corns. This is spring onions, which are like this. It's pretty long bag. This is some chicken I have freshly bought yesterday. And here I have some chutney. Here I have got some, what do you say, some batter, urad dal batter for dosa, etc. And then I have here, this is coriander topped with a tissue paper. Then I have this again henna. This is, I don't remember, this is curd. Look at that, that's curd. This is also little curd, and again this is little cream I have. Like, that's next. So this is a very raw video, which I'm not planned for doing this, but I've done this. And I have some peanuts and some more peanuts, some dal and moong dal. This is upma rava. This is chutney ka. This is again green gram, chutney dal, green gram, and that's much more dal. I have kept all these little threads. My hubby loves chutney for his tiffin for breakfast, so I have maintained much of chutney dals. And here are some carrots, tomatoes, and ginger. This is how it looks actually. Then coming to this, I have got some almonds, some nut, cashews, some couscous, eggs, few more eggs, and this is again peanuts. Again, these are some peanuts. This is peas, and this is Szechuan sauce. That's vinegar. This is more spring onions, water. This is basin flour. This is tomato ketchup, and this is red chili powder. So this is my friends. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for much more videos. Thank you. See ya. Bye. And this is my fridge. That's a Samsung. That's a very small little cute fridge.